your hourly wage at times, Wash, is astronomical.
Yeah.
Is it normal? Could you possibly make $70-$80 an hour?
I have some paychecks. I'm over $70-$80 an hour.
I've seen it.
If you feel like you can work and want to make money, you can make a good amount working here. I paid off my house by working here.
What are some of your success habits?
One of the big motivation is the pay here. If we get it, like we're on a point system, and we have the incentive of finishing jobs. If the faster I can finish a job, the more pay I get. So most of our jobs are 1 day. We get multi-day jobs too, but there's times, a good amount of times, I can finish those multi-day jobs in 1 day too. So instead of that job getting spread out more than 1 day, if I get it down 1 day, my pay just went up for that day because I was able to finish it. So that's one of the big motivation. It's also there's houses like they have no heat, no AC, just like a wall heater. We're going in and now we're adding everything brand new, like a cut-in, and I get the gratification of once I'm done, they're like so thankful that now they have central heating and air instead of just a wall heater in the hallway.
Yes. Those are oftentimes our happiest clients, the ones that
never had that stuff,
transforming from a wall furnace or a gravity furnace, which we don't see a lot of those anymore. But you're right. It's pretty amazing. So the pay is what a lot of the times the pay is what drives you, getting your hourly wage. I mean, your hourly wage at times, Wash, is astronomical because you finish. You are so efficient, right?
Yeah.
Is it normal? Could you possibly make $70-$80 an hour?
I have.
Yeah.
Yeah. So because our paycheck go up and down just depending on jobs, but some paychecks I'm over $70-$80 an hour.
I've seen it.
Yeah.
I love it. You earn every single dollar, and you also get home at a good time.
Yeah, well, one of my goals every day is to beat traffic. So beating traffic, that means getting done around 2 or earlier. There's times I'm at 12 something on a full split system, but that's not every day. There's days I'm out late, but there's days I'm early. But my average seems to be between 3 and 5, so which is not bad.
3 and 5 o'clock.
Yep.
So you're wrapping up and there's got to be some things, and we're going to get into that. There's got to be some things that you're doing to be able to finish a job between 3 and 5 every day. Because like you said, most of your jobs are 1 day, right?
Yep.
Furnace, air conditioner, line set, right?
Yeah, all that.
And that's 1 day. And some days you're doing 2 installs, right? Or helping guys out, or for finishing a 2-day install in 1 day, I think is what you said.
Yeah. Or like there's days where like the center's busy and I finish and then the office is called like, can you please check in? And there's times some other crews need help or they have an emergency calls like, can you go do this? Because the client right now have no hot water or AC went out. Mm-hmm. There's times like if it's early enough, then yeah, well, I can go out and do that too. But, yep.
Great. So you said, I kind of put the numbers together. You were 23, 24 when you started.
Yeah.
You worked here 20 years. If I do the math, you're 44? Is that, you're 44?
Yeah, I'm 44 right now.
A lot of people say this is a young man's career. You're in a young man's job. You've defied those odds, meaning a lot of people say, oh, well, I could do this when I'm 20 and 30, but when I get that, 30, 35, I'm going to need to switch over to service, right? You've clearly shown that, look, you can make a career as a lead installation technician, right?
Yep. So there's actually quite a few guys in my center that's my age or even older that's doing this. As long as you have the mindset of like that you can feel like you can do this job, it is one of the most physical work in the industry. But
how about the? How about the most physical? Crawling in attics.
No, for me, the pier flow is the most physical because they're crawling every day. For the install, in my mind, I don't crawl every day, so it's not hard. It's different type of physical, but yeah. But if you feel like you can work and want to make money, you can make a good amount working here. I paid off my house by working here, so yeah. If you want to make a career, you can get paid well and actually buy stuff that you want to.
Okay, so we got to back up on that. You bought a house.
I bought a house
in California. In the San Francisco Bay Area. Is that what I'm hearing?
Yeah. I bought it right after the crash, though, in 2011. But it's still, I bought my own house. And that's probably 4 or 5 years after I work here. So I was able to save and put down payment and make payments on my house. It took me about 10 years to pay it off. And now I have no other
You're
bills.
mortgage free.
Yeah, I'm mortgage free.
What advice would you give the young 23, 24-year-old Washington?
If you can handle the work, you'll make good money working in this industry. I didn't think when I first started, my pay just every year started slowly going up and up, and now my pay is like I never thought I would make this much working here. Try to learn whoever you're with. Try to learn as much that you can from them. Like they'll teach you. The better you get at it, the faster you get, the more the guys will want to work with you. If a guy see that you're gonna be a lazy type of person, a lot of them times they're not gonna want to work with you. They're not gonna want to help you. Always keep a positive attitude. There's gonna be late day or bad days and good days here, and on those bad days, just try to keep a positive attitude. You're gonna be there. It's like if you're gonna be working mad, it's not gonna help. So just try, to take your time and make it through the day. Yeah, because every house we go to, because we're doing residential, is always gonna be a different house. It's always, you're never gonna go back to the same job every day. Every day is something different.